Today we are going to talk about the morning motivation. Life is great. To live a great life, you must develop a powerful morning routine. What is that? That is a powerful morning. That is a great day you may have today. That is a great life you might have in the future. Every morning when your feet hit the floor, tell yourself, today is the day. Today is the day I will be at my peak. Today is the day I will set my life up to win. I will set my future up for success. Today is the day I plant seeds that will grow into greatness in my future. Today is the day I will give my all. Every minute, every moment, with everyone I encounter. To live a great life, you gotta get your mornings right. Don't just wander out of bed and throw yourself aimlessly into the drama of this world. Set your foundation for a strong day. Get up with a purpose. Develop a routine that works for you. Work out. Get your body moving. Create a habit that builds a strong body and strong mind. Remember, the body and the mind usually work together. A strong body, a strong mind. Thank you for this day. Thank you for what I have done. Thank you, I am alive. Thank you, I am healthy. Set your goals and intention for the day. No one will reach the most south after destination if they don't know where that place is. What are you going to accomplish today? They can be your opportunities to get things. Notice, they are your opportunity. Life is always good around us. Think about us and believe that nothing is perfect. No one is perfect. But my life is perfect.